Hello, my name is Raheem Pounds, and here's my series. It is called The Sound of Art. Right now, it is made up of four oil paintings at the moment, which is going to, three oil paintings, finished oil paintings, and one unfinished. The oil paintings feature a similar red pair of headphones in each one, and it is to represent the vibrant flavor of art. And I mean, red is my favorite color, and it just really speaks to me when I paint with it. Also, if you can tell, I use a lot of red in the face to help accent the headphones as well, and as well with the lips also. I'm thinking about also extending the series to an even larger scale than the third oil painting, which will be made up of four 38 by 40 canvases put together, and it will be a self-portrait also done with an oil painting. Will also be done with the headphones as a feature. And again, this is the last one. It is unfinished. We're getting there. I'm working on some things. As you can see, I'm not gonna say I'm having trouble, but things are kind of getting a little tough in some areas of my oil painting. I'm having a situational problem, probably because I need to take a break and let this oil dry. That's the only thing about oil painting is you can't just keep painting on top of wet paint because it'll begin to run and smudge together, and then you'll have a bunch of mud that you might have to scrape off the canvas. You don't want to do that, not all the time at least. But I am going to work on this some more later on tomorrow maybe. Well, I got some business I have to handle, but I might work on it tomorrow. I might not. Just want to let it dry a little bit and then come back to it. But it is looking pretty good. Things are working for it. I'm liking how everything's coming out. But here's my series again. I think I am going to expand it to about these four pieces will probably turn out being 15, 10 pieces all together as a series, as a collection. And I don't know. We'll see. Alright, thank you. Bye-bye.